Hello and welcome back to this tutorial video. Today we'll be talking about working on the Raspberry Pi, installing VNC so that you may be able to use your Raspberry Pi from afar without necessarily carry a desktop always. Okay, I'm here presenting you my HDMI cable, the mouse, the keyboard as I used for the first installation. So it's from here, as we did for the first installation in the previous Raspberry Pi tutorial. So from here we are going to get some necessary information which is going to help us in order to get to work it using VNC. So you have to now open the terminal, or you can just write Ctrl-RT, but before, get to Raspberry Pi configuration through the menu and enable SSH. SSH is what they call secure shell, for secure connection to the Raspberry Pi. So you now get to your terminal, Ctrl-RT. Since I was working so many commands, I clear it back. So now you write the command ifconfig just for you to get the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. And you note here I'm connected through Wi-Fi, so the interface is WLAN, and then this my IP address 192.168.1.14, which is a Class C address for those who are versed with computer networks. Okay, we are going to retain that address. You're able to go back on a normal PC and then use it. So here I'm using PuTTY. I'm going to write the IP address. Okay, to log in with the name is Pi, and the password by default it is Raspberry. So now I'm into my Raspberry Pi and now launch VNC server. When it is being launched now, I will now get to an application. It gives me the desktop number to which I am launched to, which is in this case is 2. So now I will now go to VNC Viewer, and then I'll put the things into the configuration details as I am just doing. I'll put the link inside the description of the video where you can get the PuTTY software, and also where you can get the VNC Viewer. So when you put the information as that, you just come, as I told you again, the password by default is Raspberry. Okay, but you can change, instead of just putting IP addresses, you can change. So as I said, the number that it gave you when you ran VNC server was a port number. So when you write your IP address, you put 2 dots and then you put a port number. So here you now come and then you write there Raspberry. Click on OK, and then you are into your Raspberry Pi, even though the Raspberry Pi is far on the table somewhere. So in this case, you just need the IP address, and then if you without even putting the mouse or the keyboard, you are done. So you just know the IP address by default in your head, and then at any time T, you can just get to it from your computer as such as this. So just by plugging in the power button, and then you are okay, we are done with that. When it's in a video to come out, I'm going to help you to know how you can get your IP address, or you can make your IP address static. So I would like to thank you all for watching and hope to see you next time for another video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, please, like, comment, and please share the video. See you next week. Thanks very much.